Welcome to this quick lesson on how to make a spiral. Firstly, you'll need a piece of card, a piece of paper, a pen or a felt tip, a piece of string and a drawing pin. We're going to knot the string, so I'm making a loop and threading through the end and pulling it tight. And I'm sliding this small knot towards the end, and this is for the drawing pin. I'm making a bigger loop at the other end of the string, and this is for the pen. I'm making the knot in the same way and pulling it tight, and I'm leaving a length of string at the end. The string that was left over at the end will be wrapped around the pen and held tightly. I'm starting on the left, you can start anywhere, and I'm stretching the string to form the biggest outer circle. As I move around, the string wraps around the pen and the circles become smaller. And there you have it. Thank you for watching.